without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you're treating me so bad. You said you love me, don't wanna find me, and I was all you had. And all my heart is beating for you, I can't stop crying. I don't know how I allow you to treat me this way, and still I stay. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you wanna do me wrong. See, when I'm home, I'm all alone, and you are always gone. Boy, you know I really love you, I can't deny. I can't see how you could bring me to so many tears after all these years. See, my days are cold without you. My days, yeah. And my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you. Without you. Without you. I keep on running back to you. I trusted you, I trusted you. So sad, what love will make you do. All the things that we accept, be the things that we regret. So all of my ladies, hear me, come on, sing with me. See, when I get straight to leave you, always tell me that you need me. And I'm weak cause I believe you, and I'm mad because I love you. So I stop and think that maybe you can learn to appreciate me. Then it all remains the same, that you ain't never gonna change, never gonna change, never gonna change. My days are cold, baby, and my heart can't take no more, no more, no more. My days are cold without you, and my heart can't take no more, no more. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you're treating me so bad. You said you love me, don't wanna find me, and I was all you had. And all my heart is beating for you, I can't stop crying. I don't know how I allow you to treat me this way, and still I stay. See, my days are cold without you.
Okay, y'all, what is up? It's the next day, and let me tell y'all, I got one last show. I'm about to finish the other set, but let me tell y'all what happened so far. Okay, so this morning I woke up and I went to my doctor's appointment. I think I'm 32 weeks, and we heard the heartbeat. And he checked the position because last time I went she was breech. This time she's head down. Hopefully she don't do no more flipping, because that's what it feel like she be doing in there. Hopefully she stay head down. I came home, I added some tracks in, I curled it. I didn't want to do like crazy curls because they gonna come out. Right now I'm going for like a soft body curl. That's why I keep brushing them, because I want them to fall softly, like so, like that. And so I already did one eye. I'm about to do the other eye. And if y'all looking for the lashes, this brand right here is where I get my lashes from, off Amazon. So I'm gonna link this down below in my description box. It's gonna be in my Amazon storefront, so make sure y'all go shop. And the mapping I did was 16, 16, 16, 14, 14, 14, 12, 10. I already have a video posted on my YouTube about how I do my lashes and like a tutorial, so it's right here. Make sure y'all go click that and watch it if y'all want to know how I do my lashes. I switch it up every now and then, but for the most part it's pretty much the same technique, everything. Then I went and installed my mama mirror. My stomach be in the way, so I can't lean forward like how I used to and look into the big mirror. So I'm starting to get a little excited. I'm trying to like imagine life with a baby and a baby girl at that. And then imagine life as a single black mom, which, you know, when I posted that video that hit like 1 million views and like 200,000 comments on Instagram, it really put into perspective that a lot of people are miserable and they just want to make you feel miserable as well, because I had some mean comments under there. But you know, I ain't paying attention to them. I read them, but it was like, whatever. You feel that way, cool. Cool beans feel that way. A lot of people are like, oh my gosh, you're just another single black mom. And because one thing about it, two things for sure, I'm gonna put myself first every time.
Period.
Because staying in a situation that's not fit for you is never the right choice. And I'm never gonna encourage nobody to do that. No matter how hard it is, no matter how bad you want it, think about the baby. So that's how I thought about it. It was like, do I want my baby in this environment? Nope. It don't matter what I want. It don't matter how I felt. You gotta think big.
Bitch, you thinking small. We need to be thinking big. You need to be thinking big, bitch. You need to be thinking big, bitch. Think big, bitch.
That was my approach on why I left my baby daddy. And you know, it's been up and down. So like when I first moved back to Texas, girl, oh my gosh, when I first moved back to Texas, it was bad. Like we didn't talk, and when we did talk, it was arguing, cussing, cause it was just pain there. It was just pain. Cause at the end of the day, I had to realize that no matter the situation, like I had to think about my daughter. So I could be mad at the nigga forever, but I had to put that aside and like, okay, like we need to have good communication skills for my child. Like that's really all I care about. Got to a point where, you know, I guess we were comfortable enough to talk to each other. And then I was going through a lot in my personal life that he had already knew about. So I would talk to him about that stuff. Not as a way to like confide in him, but just like to vent, because you know how like somebody already know a bunch of stuff about you, and instead of just like explaining it to somebody else and having to start all over, you rather just talk to somebody who already know, like who already know what's going on. That's what it was. And you know, he listened, he was there. Then I went to LA. I really had a good trip in LA, but it kind of went sour when I got a phone call from him about some BS. I just came to a realization that like the relationship that I thought I was gonna have with him as a co-parent, parent to be, is not that. And so like being realistic with myself is, yeah, I just can't. Like, cause I thought I genuinely reached like a part of detachment, which I feel like I did. But then of course talking to somebody on a daily basis and like y'all are the only two people that are actually in the situation. He's the only person in the situation that I can like kind of like, you know, talk to, because it's like literally only us. It's not about our parents, not about nothing. It's about us, because this is our child. So that's kind of how I look at it. And just like that, my lashes are done. I'm gonna do my eyebrows, but like I feel like that's too much. I need to go get them done. So that's what we're doing tomorrow, because I'm not gonna have time today. I'm finna eat, and my best friend's supposed to be coming over here, but I usually do my own eyebrows, but you know, I'm at a point where I just want to look good. So they be saying, oh yeah, you a high maintenance girly. You're high maintenance to be low maintenance, not the other way around. Like as of today, I really don't talk to him. The only time I talk to him is like I went to the doctor's office this morning, sent him the video, and told him what the doctor said. That's it. And if it gotta be like that, they gotta be like that. At the end of the day gonna end. That's the at the end of the day is gonna end, child. Eyebrows slick, lashes slick, skin popping, lips popping, hair somewhat. I'm not gonna trip on my hair because just not gonna trip on it. So yeah. Period. So hair done, nails done. Ooh, hair done, lashes done. I'm gonna get my eyebrows done for real probably tomorrow, and I'm gonna go get my nails and my feet done tomorrow before we go to this football game. It's like three football games in one. It's the state championship, but yeah, I guess I will see y'all when I see y'all. Good morning. It's Sunday. I was supposed to go get my nails done yesterday, but that just didn't happen. I got up, ate breakfast, and then I got ready to go to the football game yesterday. But now I'm about to go get my nails done. Okay, so I made it to the nail salon. I'm finna go in here and get my nails done. They're overgrown. Like, can y'all see this? They're like chrome, so they would be like pink, sometimes green, sometimes gold, and then my toes are black. But I'm gonna figure out how I want to get my toes done. I might not even get my toes done, but I might get them done. I'm trying to decide if I'm gonna get regular French tip or like a baby pink or like a cream, because I really want to go like full out pink girly girl in January for February. So let's just go inside. Hello, I need to get a new set and then change my feet. Hello. Good. I'm gonna take these off and then I won't wear French tips.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else does me like you do. That's why I don't mind. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart speak. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you.
Okay, so I just left. I got my nails done. I got like a classic French tip with the pink base. I really like this. I did not get my feet done and I didn't get my eyebrows done because I have to go take pictures. So I'll probably come back up here tomorrow and get my nails and my feet done, and then to get my feet and my eyebrows done. But other than that, I think that'll be it for the maintenance vlog because I did my hair, my lashes, nails. Yeah, so I'll see y'all then. Okay, y'all, so I done came back to the same nail salon to get my toes done, and I done sat here and thought my camera was on the charger this whole time. It must have just been on and on the charger, so it's dead. So literally brought my camera out for no reason. So I'm gonna go in there and get my feet done. I'm gonna get my eyebrows done too. I know you see I don't have any lashes on.
I took them off this morning when I got out the shower. My hair pulled back, baby. This is what pregnancy do to you. I'm still cute without it. But even though this is supposed to be a maintenance vlog, I'm just taking y'all along. Like, this is what I do to get cute. I was cute for about a good 2 weeks. But, you know, it was Christmas. So, everything was closed. And I didn't feel like getting up out of bed to get my feet done. But I'm finna get them done now. It really don't even matter. But, yeah, I'm going to be recording on my phone since my stupid-ass camera didn't want to work. See you when I get inside. Okay, so I'm done with the maintenance vlog. I got my nails done, my hair, my lashes, and my feet done. I really hope you guys like the video. I'm gonna be making more videos. The videos coming up are going to be me like unboxing some baby gifts, setting up baby stuff, like starting a nest and set up my room and stuff, and then probably like another vlog about like the day in the life leading up to it. I plan on getting my car detailed, and then of course the birth vlog. So yeah, stay tuned. If you like this video, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, Big Laysi out.